Hello, we are back with an exciting video where we picked the best 6 products out there to make your decision easier. If you want to know more about the products, head forward to the description for the latest prices and information. Panasonic ER-GP80. The Panasonic ER-GP80K professional hair clipper features pro-stylist power and battery life to give you a great cut. It features X-taper blades that firmly catch and cut hairs to reduce stubble. The sharp 45-degree blade edge provides a smooth, clean-cutting performance that will have you feeling like you could cut hair for a living. The linear motor features something that Panasonic calls constant control, with advanced sensor technology that detects the density of the hair you're cutting. It automatically controls the speed of the blade movement to help you sail through the thickest mop you have. The design of the ER-GP80K is slim, light, and easy to use. The ergonomic handle with trim-length dial is comfortable and covered with rubber to prevent slipping. Turning the dial changes the cutting length from 0.8 mm to 2.0 centimeters in 0.3 mm increments. Use the clipper with cord or without. The Panasonic ER-GP80K comes with a charging stand and comb attachments. The adapter plug is unwieldy and heavy, an unfortunate design decision compared with an otherwise great set of clippers. Remington HC5855. The Remington HC5855 virtually indestructible haircut kit and beard trimmers is the ultimate grooming tool for men. With a rugged design and superior performance, this 15-piece set is built to last and provides a professional quality haircut experience at home. The kit includes a powerful hair clipper that effortlessly cuts through even the thickest hair, ensuring precise and consistent results every time. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades stay sharp for long-lasting performance. The clipper also comes with various guide combs, allowing for customizable cutting lengths. The included beard trimmer attachment is perfect for maintaining facial hair with accuracy and ease. It features adjustable length settings and delivers clean, precise lines for shaping and styling your beard. Designed with durability in mind, the virtually indestructible haircut kit is made with a high-impact polycarbonate casing that can withstand drops and rough handling. The ergonomic designs provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver during use. Oster Professional. The Oster Professional hair clippers, Classic 76, are renowned for their durability, performance, and precision. With a sleek burgundy design, these clippers not only deliver outstanding results, but also add a touch of sophistication to any barber's toolkit. The Classic 76 is equipped with a detachable blade system, allowing for easy maintenance and versatility in cutting styles. The powerful motor ensures smooth and effortless cutting, making it suitable for all hair type and textures. The detachable blade system is a key feature that sets the Oster Classic 76 apart from other hair clippers on the market. This system allows for easy blade removal and attachment, enabling barbers to switch between different cutting lengths and styles quickly. Whether you prefer a close cut or a longer textured look, the Classic 76's detachable blades offer a wide range of options to suit your client's needs. Barbers and stylists spend long hours working with their tools, so comfort and ergonomics are crucial. The Oster Classic 76 is designed with the user in mind, featuring a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended cutting sessions. The well-balanced weight distribution of the clippers adds to their ease of use, allowing for precise control and maneuverability. With the Classic 76, barbers can work efficiently and comfortably, enhancing the overall experience for both the professional and the client. Wahl USA Elite Pro. Wahl has great reputations for its personal grooming product, such as this clipper kits, which comes bundled with good accessories and tool. You also get a great warranty that cover the motors and all the other included parts. The self-sharpening blade inside are easy to maintain because the metal blade will automatically sharpen as you cut your hair. Though some prefers wireless models, the cords on this clipper measure 8 feet long and will give you plenty of spaces to work without standing right next to an outlet. It also has a storage case and a nylon bags for storing the clippers and the included guard. Those guards are one of the best features of this model. Each one has a secure fit designs that makes it simple for you to attach the guard to the clippers. This design also keeps the guards from sliding off as the motor runs. Many people like that the number of the guards appears in bold color on the fronts of each one. This is a good values. The set comes with an blade guard, cord wrap, and some grooming and styling tools. Andis 01557. The Andis 01557 Professional Master Adjustable Blade Hair Trimmer is a high-quality tool specifically engineered for professional barbers and stylists. This trimmer's sleek silver and chrome design exudes elegance while delivering exceptional cutting performance. Equipped with an unbreakable carbon steel T-blade, the Andis Professional Master ensures precise and consistent results, making it an essential tool for any haircutting professional. The highlight of the Andis Professional Master Hair Trimmer is its unbreakable carbon steel T-blade. This blade is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The sharp cutting edge of the T-blade allows for precise and clean cuts, making it suitable for a wide range of hairstyles and textures. Whether you're creating sharp lines or trimming the hair with precision, the Andis barbers and stylists often spend long hours working with their tools, so comfort and ergonomics are essential. The Andis Professional Master Hair Trimmer is designed with the user's comfort in mind. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and allowing for precise control during extended cutting sessions. The well-balanced weight distribution of the trimmer further enhances its ease of use, ensuring a comfortable and efficient cutting experience. The Andis 01557 Professional Master Adjustable Blade Hair Trimmer is a top-tier tool designed for professional barbers and hairstylists. With its unbreakable carbon steel T-blade, adjustable cutting lengths, powerful motor, and ergonomic design, this trimmer offers precision, versatility, and durability. Investing in the Andis Professional Master Hair Trimmer is a testament to one's commitment to providing exceptional hair. ConairMAN. The ConairMAN Hair Clippers for Men is a versatile and comprehensive grooming kit that allows for corded or cordless use, providing maximum convenience and flexibility. This 22-piece set is designed to give you professional-looking haircuts at home. The hair clipper features a powerful motor that effortlessly cuts through all hair types and lengths, ensuring precise and consistent results. The included guide combs offer multiple cutting lengths, allowing you to achieve your desired haircut style. With the option to use it corded or cordless, you also have the freedom to move around without restrictions. The cordless feature provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, giving you ample time to complete your grooming session. The corded option ensures continuous power for uninterrupted trimming. The kit includes essential accessories such as barber scissors, a comb, and a cleaning brush to maintain the clipper's performance. The storage pouch keeps all the components organized and easily accessible. Experience professional quality grooming with the ConairMAN Hair Clippers for Men, a reliable and comprehensive kit that provides convenience, versatility, and excellent cutting performance for all your home haircutting needs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get instant notification of our new videos.